Use Snapseed to add price tag to your product. Click on Snapseed, open it, then click on the plus button and choose a particular picture you want. For this picture, you can crop it if there are parts of the picture that you don't want to appear on the product advert. After cropping it, you can use the freehand cropping or a particular size. Then click on tools, then go to test and add maybe the price and the phone number with which you want your customers to contact you with. You can write WhatsApp if you want them to chat you up on WhatsApp, or write call if you want them to call you, or you put your Facebook handle, your YouTube handle, your Instagram handle, or if you're a Twitter vendor, your Twitter handle. Once you do this, you can change the color of your text by clicking on the color palette. You can also change the style of your text. Some styles make it easier for people to read what you've written. So you choose a particular style. Like this is like the most popular style that vendors use, but you can choose a particular style that fits whatever good you are trying to sell. And if you do so, once you've chosen a particular size, use your fingers, like you use your hand, maybe 2 fingers across the text, and shrink it, or change the direction it's looking, or just use your fingers to control it. Once you're done with it, you click on export and save. You can do this for many pictures or many of your products. You can use many tags for them, or you can still use the same style for your product. And also, one thing with Snapseed is that it offers you the opportunity to also edit your product, assuming you want to edit it. So if you don't have Snapseed, head on to Google Play Store and download Snapseed. It is a free app from Google, and trust me, you will like using this app, both for your photo editing and also to brand and price tag your pictures and your products. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did so, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also like my videos and share it to those you think may need it. Also, there's a video I did on Snapseed. I'll put the link on the description. You can check it out. It's on photo editing with Snapseed. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to come back for another interesting video like this. I'll see you in my next video. Massive sales to every vendor out there. I pray that you have good sales this week. And for everyone that have subscribed to my channel, I pray that you have massive sales in your business. Bye.